This is the new Dreamline from FX Airguns. I got two here, both in 22 caliber. One is in the Dreamline light stock at the back and one line is in the Dreamline tactical. Now, something that's really interesting about these guns is the fact that you can change the caliber, you can change the liner, the smooth twist liner inside. And a lot of people are going to want to know how to do that. So the following video is me taking the gun apart, taking the barrel off and taking out the smooth twist liner. I hope it's helpful to you. The gun's revolutionary, so please enjoy. Before we start, make sure the gun is in safe, you've got no ammo around. We're not going near the high pressure system, so we shouldn't need to worry about that. But what we're going to do is we're going to take the barrel off, take the liner out, and I'm going to show you how to take the probe out as well. And you'd be doing all that if you either wanted to clean the barrel, get at the liner, or change the caliber. And it's really simple. Here we go. I would always suggest doing this with the scope off. We're going to get hold of the shroud at the front and we're going to give it a twist anti-clockwise because there is a joint here and we want to undo that joint. So there we go, giving it a twist, and we just keep going with that twisting. Inside the shroud just here, there's a bolt on the end of the barrel which threads on, and what we're going to do is as we're undoing, we're also undoing that bolt internally. And then once you feel that it's come loose, you can go ahead and slide that shroud off, just like that. On the front there is the bolt that holds the liner in place. Now I would recommend from this point on, taking the barrel off so that we can get at that. Using a 3mm Allen, we're going to undo these two screws here. And you don't need to take them out all the way. There we go. I'm going to draw this back just a little bit, just about there. And then I'm just going to wiggle the barrel out. There we go. So you'll need to get a little adjustable spanner or a spanner and just give it a pinch like that just to get it going. Now this is very similar to the Wildcat 2 system for changing the liner. You simply undo that top part there. That's it. Nearly there. And then there's the actual barrel liner sticking out the top. And then all you do is you just have to grip on with your fingers. I wouldn't use anything else. And just gently wiggle it forward. And out comes, there we go, the smooth twist liner. So if you're going to change the caliber on the Dreamline, obviously you've got to change that probe because it's a different size to the actual barrel housing. So what you're going to do is I'm going to take this off the bipod, put it onto its side, and there you can see, if I get a close-up shot, this here, this bit is the probe which goes through and is obviously connected there via an Allen screw. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to undo that Allen screw. Now you don't need to take it out all the way. All you need to do is just feel that it's sort of come loose like that. Look, you see, and it's moving in my finger. Now you don't want to lose that little screw, so I've sort of left it half in with the Allen key in there, which is quite good. Then the only way this can come out is if it goes forward where the barrel was. So what you've got to do is sort of hold that there and just tip it forward, look, and it just falls out. And there we go. And then that's your probe, like that. Now what happens is the caliber changes when you change this part and the probe, obviously, and that bit fits inside the end of the barrel there. So if you're going up to a 2.5 or a 30, that's got to be different. Simple as. The clever thing is that this has got a square section on it, look. So when you put that back into there, it matches up inside the rifle, which is very well thought out. So we're going to drop that back through like that. There we go. And make sure that your probe transfer port is pointing down. See? So you know it's slotted in. There we go. And I can feel that's gone in place. Look, and it's not twisting in my finger. So I'm going to go ahead and just tighten that back up. That feels okay. So what I'm going to do is put it back on the bipod. When you put the liner back inside the barrel housing, make sure the little notch around the barrel goes in first. Slide it down. That's it. And then you take your bolt, put that over. And do it back up. And then, with the transfer port facing down, you can go ahead and slide your barrel back into place. Take your 3mm Allen and do those 2 screws back up. Then you can go ahead and slide your shroud back on. And then you've just got to get a feel for that bolt in the top end here. Give it a turn. It should start to grip. And then it's also going to start gripping on the joint there as well. There we go. That's it. And you know you're good when it all goes back together with no gaps. Here we go. And then you can just check that your bolt cycles as well. But there we go. See? And that is how you would change the calibre and the liner and clean the barrel if you wanted to. If you'd like to see the full review, I'll put a link up here somewhere and in the description box below. In fact, I'll put it somewhere anywhere on the screen. Please give the video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and also subscribe to the new vlog channel. That would be lovely. Thank you very much. I hope you all have an absolutely splendid day. Cheerio.